Differentiating your brand from competitors. Differentiating a brand from competitors is crucial in any business strategy. No matter what sector or industry you are in, competition is inevitable. It is essential to stand out in a crowded market. To be easily recognizable, and to be remembered by your customers. There are many ways to differentiate your brand, but it can also be challenging to create unique and impactful branding strategies that will generate a positive impact on your business. Why is brand differentiation important? Brand differentiation is important because it distinguishes your company from your competitors. It enables you to create a unique identity through the use of messaging, visuals, or other elements to make your brand stand out. When customers perceive that your brand has unique qualities, they will associate those qualities with your products and services. This perception often leads to customer loyalty, which is essential for the long-term growth of your business. When you differentiate your brand strategically, you can create a competitive advantage. By standing out in a crowded marketplace, you can attract more customers and increase your revenue. Additionally, brand differentiation can help you establish your pricing strategy, giving you an edge over your competitors and allowing you to charge a premium for your products or services. How to differentiate your brand from your competitors. Here are some strategies that you can use to differentiate your brand from your competitors. 1. Define your unique selling proposition, USP. Your unique selling proposition, USP, is a statement that describes what sets your brand apart from your competitors. It should highlight your strengths and address a specific need or pain point that your target audience has. Your USP should be clear, concise, and easy to understand. For instance, your USP might be we provide the fastest shipping in the industry, or our product is the most eco-friendly on the market. 2. Focus on what matters to your target audience. Understanding your target audience's needs and desires is crucial in differentiating your brand from competitors. You need to know your audience's pains, challenges, and desires so that you can create a messaging and branding strategy that resonates with them. Consider conducting customer surveys and analyzing customer feedback to gain insights into what your audience likes and dislikes about you, or brand, and your competitors. 3. Create a visual identity. Your visual identity is how your brand looks, including your logo, color scheme, typography, and other visual elements. It is crucial to create a visually appealing and memorable brand identity that stands out to your target audience. Consider the personality and tone of your brand, as well as the qualities you want to communicate. For example, if you're a high-end luxury brand, you may want to use sophisticated and elegant visual elements. 4. Develop a unique brand voice and tone. Your brand voice and tone are how you talk to your customers. It is how your brand communicates its message, values, and personality through language. Having a unique brand voice and tone can help you differentiate yourself from your competitors and create a personality that resonates with your target audience. Consider the tone that is appropriate for your brand and the values that you want to communicate. 5. Offer unique product features or services. Creating unique product features or services that your competitors don't offer can help differentiate your brand. This could be anything from an innovative product feature to excellent customer service. When you offer something unique, you make it difficult for your competitors to copy and ensure that your customers